How about another nice hand for all the entertainment today? Oh, so wonderful to see so many talent across Hawaii and to hear it on Molokai Eid. And this is so nice to be home, and we had a beautiful crowd today. So mahalo for having us. On guitar, I have Sunny Kalua.
Hello, everybody.
From Paula on Oahu. We're going to take you to Maui on the east end, a place where my late grandmother used to hang around. And I remember making those long drives around Hana and to Kaupo. But this place speaks of a jealous mountain. A song entitled Ahulili. Haina